Sexual reproduction in animals. Most animals go through sexual reproduction to procreate and continue their species. It normally involves two parents in producing offspring. Both parents require a special organ called gonad that produces the reproductive cells or gametes. The gonads that produce the male gametes or sperms are the testes, while those producing the female gametes, that is, the eggs or ova, are called the ovaries. In higher animals, the testes and the ovaries are born by different individuals. Hence, a mating process between physically mature beings is required to ensure the meeting of the gametes. How do gametes differ from normal body cells? A normal human body cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes inside its nucleus. Every single chromosome from every pair comes from each parent. For example, you inherited half the chromosomes in the nucleus of, say, your eye cell from your mother, and a half from your father. During fertilization, a sperm fuses with an egg to form a zygote. Since the sperm and the egg each have a haploid number of 23 chromosomes, the zygote formed will have a diploid number of 46 chromosomes. Then the zygote divides by normal cell division called mitosis, resulting in all the cells in the child having the same diploid number of chromosomes, which is paired together except in the sex cells. In the case of sperm cells or eggs, there are only 23 chromosomes, that is, only half the genetic materials of both parents. Why? This is because in the testes or ovaries, a process called meiosis takes place. The process is advantageous in the sense that it gives rise to more variation among offspring. Such variations in the gametes, together with random fertilization, promote genetic diversity, which explains why sometimes brothers and sisters, or even twins, do not look alike. To understand meiosis better, please refer to our video on meiosis. Sometimes the process of gamete formation goes wrong. In one particular case, a gamete may carry 2 copies of the 21st human chromosome. If this gamete is fertilized by a normal gamete, then the zygote which results will have 3 copies of chromosomes 21. This results in the disorder known as Down syndrome. This is a particularly common genetic disorder these days, and you have most probably heard of it. Children with this condition show varying degrees of stunted physical growth, like small head and ears, short neck, flat facial features to name a few. They also have reduced resistance to disease and congenital heart defects.